What's up, YouTubers? This is your handyman Curtis here. Figured I'd make a video on how to put a screen together. I ended up going to Menards. Bought this here. It's for the pet screen. I did most of the work already, but what I really want to show is how to actually install it on a screen. Now you want to get this tool, because this tool here is actually going to help you. This part here, if you can see it, it has a round tip. The other part here has a little crease in the inside of it. Now you gotta make sure you use this first. Put the screen on top. I already did half of it, so I'll show you how to use it with the round tip. Place it on there between the crease, and you want to do this first. Keep on doing, because you want to work it in the slots. Keep on working it in until it's fully seated in there, because that's what that tip does. Alright, and I hope you can see it, but it leaves the canvas, see? Now you take the other end, just walk over here, and it's kind of hard to do this with one hand, but you pretty much place this in, then you use this piece, this side, and see if I can do this, and you just work it in. And these corners, I just use, some people use screwdrivers. I use a spoon or end of a spoon, but yeah, this is how you actually do it. But you want to try to keep this straight as much as possible. I'm sorry, keep this straight. Follow it all the way through. Yeah, that's the handyman tip today. If you have any other way of doing it, go ahead and leave a comment for everybody else so we can help each other out. Handyman Curtis out. See ya.